In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar with Notion. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account in a web browser or the desktop app. Starting from your main workspace, head to your home page. This is usually the default view you see when you open Notion, and it gives you access to all your pages and settings. From here, look toward the left-hand side of the screen for the Settings option. Depending on your version, this may appear as Settings and Members. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you manage everything related to your workspace, including integrations like Google Calendar. Once the Settings panel is open, find and select the Connections tab. This area is dedicated to all the apps and services that can connect to Notion. It's a good place to remember for later if you want to manage or remove integrations. Inside Connections, look for the option that says Browse Connections in Gallery, and click on it. This will open Notion's integration gallery in your browser. The gallery can look a bit overwhelming, but it's simply a directory of all the official and third-party tools that work with Notion. At the top of the gallery, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search field and start typing the word highlight. As you type, Notion will filter the results to show relevant integrations. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the integration that is built specifically to connect with Google Calendar. In the filtered results, find the integration that is labeled as being created by Notion. It will usually show by Notion under the title. This indicates it's an official connection, which is generally more reliable and better supported. Click on that integration to open its details page. On the integration page, you'll see a button that says Add to Notion. Click this button to begin connecting it to your workspace. You may be prompted to confirm which workspace you want to use. If a Google sign-in window appears, log into the Google account that owns the calendar you want to sync and allow the requested permissions so Notion can access your events. Once that's done, go back to your Notion workspace. In the Connections area, you should now see the integration listed. Click on it to open its settings and confirm that it's active. From here, you can start using the Google Calendar connection inside Notion to view and work with your events directly in your pages.